Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be sharing the recipe for garlic butter prawns or garlic butter shrimp. It's a very great starter, tasting very great and very easy to make. Now let's get started. I will be showing how you can clean it also. These are jumbo prawns, very easy to clean also. I am just keeping the tail on to look it beautiful. This way it will be very nice for a starter. And you have to clean up this way also. Nicely wash it. They are 12 in number. I will be now marinating the masala to this: chili powder, turmeric powder, garlic powder, salt, little bit of corn flour. It's a must, which will give nice crispy texture on top. Do sure add corn flour. And to that I will be adding lemon juice and also some oil. Nicely give it a good mix so that the shrimps will become nice tender also, because we have added lemon juice in this. It will give nice tangy taste too. Now after adding all the masalas, we will rest it for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, this is an optional step. If you want the shrimp to keep it straight, I am just piercing some toothpicks in it so that the shrimps won't fold and become round, as you have always seen. When shrimps hit the heat, they will become nice round like coin, but if you do like this, they will be straight. I want them to be straight, so I am doing this. You can also make it normally how it will be round in shape also. Sometimes I will be sharing like that also. In a pan I have taken some oil. I will be frying all the shrimps. Shrimps should be only fried for 5 minutes totally. First 3 minutes, then 2 minutes. That's it. If you cook for a little longer, they will become very chewy. If the shrimp has to be in nice and right consistency, you should not overcook it. Instantly after 5 minutes, I have taken in the same pan, I have taken butter. To that I am adding little bit of oil so that butter doesn't burn. To that I also added chopped garlic. You can add extra garlic also, as it is butter and garlic, the flavor we are going to give. We have added little bit of onions too, followed by chili powder, salt, lemon juice and coriander. That's it. Not any too fancy masalas I am going to add. You can add extra garlic and extra butter. Those flavors are always very nice with prawns. Now you add the fried prawns in it and nicely saute it. Even in this masala, only 2 minutes to 3 minutes you leave. Do not overcook at this point also. Totally 8 minutes, less than 10 minutes only we will be cooking this shrimp. Now I will add extra butter and coriander, then give it a good mix. Our perfect starter for any party or any time at home is very much ready. Hope you all like it. Sure, give it a try and leave a comment. If you like my videos, do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Live tasty, be happy. Bye bye.